Hi, I'm Anagha, and my project is on the integration of formerly displaced students into the post-secondary education system. The Northern Virginia region has a large refugee population. These populations can be found not just in local areas, but even on the George Mason campus. However, since the inception of the university, there have been no programs to meet the needs of formerly displaced students, such as the need for community and solidarity. The main objective of this project is to provide formerly displaced students with the opportunity to build a community with others at George Mason. Having a community is important because formerly displaced students can regain a sense of agency in their own reconstruction and rehabilitation of their communities. This space can also provide opportunities to make sense of the mental and social impacts of displacement. Such a program provides students with a space to share their narratives. My research proposal is to use surveys and workshops in order to determine the needs of the students. First, I received approval from the Institutional Review Board to use human subjects for my research. Then I will kiosk in the Johnson Center with flyers and a trifold in order to recruit formerly displaced students for my research. I will also send out my flyer through school newsletters, such as the Global Affairs newsletter, to find participants. Next, I will conduct Survey 1, which will inquire about what students would like to see from George Mason. The first workshop will incorporate these answers. For instance, Workshop 1 could consist of storytelling from the formerly displaced students or having someone come to speak to the formerly displaced students. Next, Survey 2 would ask students their opinions on these activities in order to create Workshop 2, which would include new or reformed activities based on what the students want to see. Lastly, Survey 3 will ask about the students' opinions on Workshop 2 to see what the final result will be based on what they want. Through this research, the goal is to produce a sustainable program for formerly displaced students to meet and share their stories. The results of the surveys and workshops will be analyzed to develop a program that meets the needs of the students. If the needs of the students are met, there will be more incentive to continue the program, which will make the program sustainable and accessible for all students.